In this demonstration, we're going to have a look at how we can configure a data loss prevention policy by using a template for financial data. Within most companies, we will have data that will be very sensitive, and we don't want that data to leave the company, and that is why we use data loss prevention policies. The policy can analyze emails, and within that email, it can then decide whether or not data within the email contravenes our policies. So what we need to do is we need to import a template. So I've come into my Microsoft Exchange Admin Center, and we're going to come to Compliance Management, and in Compliance Management we're then going to come to Data Loss Prevention. Next thing we'll do, we'll click on the plus, and what we're going to do here is we're going to come in and we're going to create a new data loss prevention policy from a template. Then what we need to do is we just need to fill out some information. We're just going to call this prevent financial data flow. We then just need to select our template. So all I'm going to do at this point is I'm going to scroll this down. What we're going to do at this point here is I'm just going to go for US financial data. Now that we've done that, next thing to do at this point here is just select save. We've just modified some of the settings, so we've created this prevent financial data flow, so we'll just click the edit button. And on the edit button, what we can see at this point here, we can see what it's called, we can see the description. Choose the state of this DLP policy, self-explanatory, it's either enabled or disabled. Then what we have down here is choose a mode for the requirements in this data loss prevention policy. So what we're going to do at this point here is we're just going to come in and we're just going to specify that we will test the DL policy, and what we'll do is we'll actually do it with policy tips so users know what's happening. Now we've modified that, we'll just save it off. We want to make it fairly meaningful to users if they do get something pop up. So what we'll do is we'll just customize the policy tips. And then what we'll do at this point here is we're just going to create a new. And then what we need to do is just need to fill out some information. So in the case of the policy tip, what we will do is, yes, we will notify the sender. We click on the drop down, we can allow the sender to override, we can block the message, or we can link to some sort of compliance URL. For purpose of this demo, we'll just notify the sender. Then what we'll do in the case of the locale, what we'll do is we'll just go for English. And then finally what we need to do is just type in the text. And for purpose of the text, I'm just going to say this message contains financial information and can't be sent outside the organization. So we'll just save this off. Now we've done that, next thing we'll do at this point here is we'll just come over to our feature pane. At this point here, we'll just come to mail flow. And within MailFlow, as we can see, by implementing that template, what we've done is we've created some rules that will be applied to any emails that are moving through our organization. And that's the end of this demonstration. Thank you.